Hello everyone, my name is Neerisha Shrestha from grade 10 and today I am here to prove some theorems of circles through an activity using these practical boards. The first theorem that I'm going to prove using this practical board is that inscribed angles standing on the same arc are equal. As you can see, there is two inscribed angles standing on the same arc. Now if we suppose this inscribed angle as gray angle and this inscribed angle as brown angle, and if we take this gray angle and compare it to the brown angle, we can see that it is equal, which also proves that inscribed angles standing on the same arc are equal. The next theorems that I'm going to prove is central angle is 2 times the inscribed angle standing on the same arc, and inscribed angle is half the central angle standing on the same arc. As you can see, this is a central angle as it lies on the center of the circle, and this is a inscribed angle as it lies on the circumference of a circle. Now if we take this inscribed angle and place it on one half of the central angle, we can see that it fits perfectly, which proves that inscribed angle is half the central angle standing on the same arc. And now if we take this and place it on the other half, you can see that it fits perfectly, which also proves that the central angle is 2 times the inscribed angle standing on the same arc. The last two theorems that I'm going to prove is that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, and the external angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its opposite interior angle. As you can see, the opposite angle of this red angle is blue. Likewise, the opposite angle of the yellow angle is gray. Now if I take this red angle and keep it on the green angle, which is also the external part of the cyclic quadrilateral, you can see that it fits perfectly, which proves that the external angle is equal to its opposite interior angle. And as you can see, the red angle and blue angle are forming a straight line, which means that its angle is 180 degrees, which also proves that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. In this way, I've proved 4 theorems of circle. I hope you've learned something from this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.